How to change default paper size in MS Word. Set A4 or letter as default easily. Hello friends, welcome back to Zimist Coded. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the default paper size in Microsoft Word to the one you prefer, whether that's A4, letter, or any other format that suits your needs. Now, if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you never miss out on helpful videos like this one. So, here's the situation. Each time you open a new Word document, it automatically uses the default paper size, which is usually letter in some regions, and A4 in others. But what if your work or school requires a specific size every time? You don't want to keep changing it over and over again. Let's fix that once and for all by setting your preferred paper size as the default. First, open Microsoft Word and go to the Layout tab at the top of the screen. Depending on your version, this may also be called Page Layout. Next, click on the Size dropdown. Here you'll see a list of common paper sizes: A4, letter, legal, executive, and more. Go ahead and choose the one you want to use as your default. In my case, I'm going with A4, since that's what's most commonly used where I live. Now, don't stop there. This only changes the paper size for the current document. To make it permanent, click on the small arrow at the bottom right corner of the Page Setup group. This opens the Page Setup dialog box. Under the Paper tab, you'll see your selected paper size. Confirm that it's correct: A4, letter, or whatever you chose. Now, click the Set as Default button at the bottom of the window. Just like before, Word will ask, do you want to change the default settings for page setup? Click Yes, and that's it. You've now made this paper size your default for all new documents based on the normal template. From now on, every time you create a new document in Word, it will automatically start with your preferred paper size, no more adjusting it manually. If anything wasn't clear or you run into trouble, just leave a comment down below and I'll be happy to help. And as always, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, subscribe to Zimist Coded, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new tutorial. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.